Hello friends, how is Australia's largest beef farm with the most modern farming model being raised? In this video, we will bring you the special skills that Australians use to raise beef farms with the best quality meat. The outdoor method of raising cows brings many significant advantages. Cows get more exercise in the natural environment, which creates interaction with pasture, helping to improve health and meat quality. Furthermore, feeding cows natural grass increases the flavor and nutrition of the meat, making the product especially attractive. Not only that, but raising cows outdoors is also considered an environmentally friendly method. Cows moving freely on pasture help reduce land pressure and reduce soil and water pollution. Thanks to eating natural grass, the ability to consume energy from food sources that depend on rice, sugarcane, and corn is significantly reduced. Although there are many advantages, outdoor cattle farming also faces some disadvantages. Cows can be injured by collisions with objects in the pasture, and the risk of disease from wild animals is also a potential problem. Furthermore, cows can go missing or become targets of predators such as tigers, wild dogs, or foxes. To carry out cattle farming in Australia, farmers need to follow some basic steps. First, they must choose a grazing site with enough grass for the cows to eat. And enough space for the cows to move freely. Cows need to be purchased from reputable suppliers to ensure quality. Cows need to be vaccinated to prevent infectious diseases. Food and water should be also provided adequately. Cow health needs to be monitored regularly to detect health problems early. Finally, beef can be harvested when the cow reaches the appropriate age and weight. Raising cows outdoors in Australia is a farming method that requires a lot of effort and experience. However, if done properly, this method can bring high economic efficiency and quality products. At the same time, it has contributed significantly to the country's economy and have helped Australia become one of the world's largest beef exporters. Modern beef cattle farming in Australia is emerging as an effective farming model, combining natural grazing and concentrated fattening. This method has brought many significant benefits to the livestock industry and the Australian economy. This article will delve into the advantages, basic steps, and combination with modern technology of this farming method. Modern beef cattle farming creates the perfect combination of performance and quality. One of the biggest advantages of this method is the ability to increase productivity. Cows are intensively fattened, which helps them with gaining weight faster, and thereby increases beef production productivity. Careful control of weight gain helps ensure cows reach their ideal weight. Not only that, But focusing on fattening also improves beef quality. Meat becomes tastier and more nutritious, meeting the growing market demand. This means cows have the higher commercial value, and they can generate greater income for farmers. Advantages in technology plays a key role in modern beef farming in Australia. Modern beef farms use many modern technologies to manage and care for cows. The GPS positioning system helps track the location of cows and manage their movements. The health monitoring system provides information about the cow's health status, helping to detect problems early and treat them promptly. The automatic feeding system helps optimize food delivery. Waste disposal is becoming one of the most important issues in the livestock industry, including beef farms in Australia. With a large number of cows, the waste generated daily can cause water and soil pollution, affecting the environment and the resistance of the ecological system. In addition, this way of raising animals also helps reduce production costs. Cows are strictly controlled, helping to optimize feed use and reduce waste. This efficiency not only increases profits, but also reduces resources consumption. The beef process begins with selecting and bringing cows to weight from farms to processing facilities. After the cows is brought to the processing facility, beef processing begins by removing the outermost layer of skin. This layer of skin will then be cleaned and processed into leather products. Next, professional workers will perform the process of removing organs from inside the cow. This includes removing organs such as the liver, lungs, and intestines. This process must be done carefully to ensure the safety and cleanliness of the beef. Once the skin and viscera have been removed, the main process of separating the meat and packing begins. Meat processors will separate the meat from the beef carcass and cut it into small cuts of meat, such as lean meat, steaks, and minced beef. The beef is then packaged and marked with relevant information, such as production date and expiration date. Packaging meat ensures that it'll maintain its quality and be safe for the consumer's health until it is used. Finally, the processed and packaged beef is ready for making delicious dishes. This process from raw beef to an attractive meal on your table goes through a series of elaborate steps to ensure food quality and safety. By gaining a deeper understanding of the beef processing, we can appreciate the hard work of farmers and meat processing workers, as they're trying their best to bring us the best quality meat on our plate. Beef has been an integral part of our cuisine and continues to add flavor and nutrition to our menus. So tell me, do you want to own such a large farm one day? Please comment below in the comment section to let us know. And for now, allow me to invite you to watch the rest of the video.
Cows are capable of providing meat, milk, leather, and leather products, but also play an important role in protecting the environment and keeping ecological balance. Cattle raising requires the necessary preparation and skills to ensure the health and development of the herd. According to the most recent USDA census from 2017, there are approximately 728,800 beef farms and ranches in the United States, a number that includes both small family farms and large commercial operations. Now let's learn about the effective method of caring for and raising cows to produce safe and high quality food. These cows are raised in a large barn area. They are provided with enough living space, clean food, and drinking water sources to grow. Every day, the farmers at the farm will prepare food for the cows because of the large number of cows. The feed is transported and handled by specialized trucks. When enough food has been prepared for the cows, the farmer brings them to the barn area. This truck is moving while pouring a quantity of food into the feed trough for the cows. This technology makes the breeding process simpler, faster, and more efficient. Modern cow farming technology is developing very fast and plays an important role in producing safe and quality food. Modern technology in beef production is automation system to reduce labor and ensure high production efficiency. The time to raise beef cattle before slaughter can last about 12 to 24 months, depending on the type of cow and the method of raising. Normally, beef cattle are cared for and raised until they reach a certain weight to serve the purpose of meat consumption. When cows are qualified for slaughter, they will be taken to slaughterhouses for processing. Because of the large number, the herd of cows must be transported by specialized trucks for transporting animals. When cows are brought to the factory, they will be processed according to the factory's process. First, each cow is put into an automatic slaughter machine. They are then hung on transport hooks to be transferred to the next line. The staff proceeded to remove unnecessary portions of beef. After that, the cow continues to be skinned. This process is done manually. It requires high technical staff to ensure that the cutting process is precise and does not affect the quality of the meat. Until the skin and forelegs are completely removed, the cow is moved to the next stage, which is to amputate the head. The workers begin their task. This processing line is carried out according to a process throughout. Each employee does a separate stage. After sorting and processing, the beef is brought to the packing line. The staff at this area check the quality of meat and label each piece of meat. They follow the chain to the packing area with food bags. Next, meat bags are sealed with a vacuum sealer. It's time to deliver fresh beef to store and supermarkets for consumers. The United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization estimates that total global beef production will be around 72 million tons in 2021, and the United States ranks fourth in the world with about 12 million tons. Outside cows are used as a nutritious food. The cow skin is also used to process handicraft products such as spurs, shoes, bags, clothes, and jewelry. In addition, cow head is also used to make household items such as sofas, chairs, and car interiors. The cow heads that are discarded at the beef processing plant will be sent to the cowheat factories. Here, they will be processed to create beautiful, quality products that are suitable for consumer taste. The modern technological tanning process also uses scientific and biological technologies to enhance the versatility and durability of cowheat products. As soon as the cowheat is delivered to the factory, the staff will cut off the unused skin and classify the skin in the buttocks, abdomen, and shoulders. These skins are then refrigerated in store before being used. This is a mixer used to process cowheat. Cowheat is put inside these containers and then mixed for a certain period of time. This process is done to increase the elasticity and permeability of the product. After processing, this cow skin is taken to separate the fats by a specialized machine. This stage ends when the tanning process begins. Cowheats are put into large mixing tank. They are mixed with a number of materials to increase the fiber structure of the leather and prolong their degradation. After that, the cowheat is put into a machine to juice and dry. The staff cut off the bad skin. This is how this factory colors leather products. The leather is left to dry in low temperature for 48 to 72 hours. After drying, the skin often becomes hard and less elastic. Therefore, this leather is further processed with a large roller. Next, the factory staff will check the quality of each cowheat in turn to make sure they meet the quality standards. Finally, the standard cowheat pieces are stamped by an automatic machine. They are then stocked in large piles and packed. This amount of cowheat will be transferred to factories that produce products made from cowheat and supplied to humans. Cow is an animal associated with the agriculture of countries. Cow farms in the world appear more and more and provide a source of food for humans. In addition, cowheat is also a material for the fashion industry that is loved by many people. Thank you.